Hello people, what is up and welcome to my brand new review. In this review, we will test how to get the latest working Delta Executor for your Roblox absolutely free, safe and online without downloading any modded APKs or any software. Guys, you can do it with your Android or your iOS devices or even with your PC. So guys, we will test how to get it with key and fully activated for free. So for start, let's go to Google or any browser you have. Navigate to this website. It's called bloxforge.com. You will find it easily, guys. Click on Delta Executor. It should load up, guys. And then we will have to enter our Roblox username or our user ID. So if you don't know how to find it, guys, just click here how to find your user ID. I will just continue with my username. Click connect account. It will start fetching our Roblox profile, guys. And that's pretty much it. You will get this account confirmation. So if it's you, just click yes, connect, and that's pretty much it, guys. We are successfully connected. Let's see now, guys. We will have to click on import newest Delta. So click there, and then we will select our additional scripts to install if you want. If you don't want, you can just continue. So I will just test this option as well, guys. I will select Overflow, Forge, Hub, Nikus, and Soluna. We will get this script activated. So I will just click continue with this, and API will start connecting. So guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel in order to stay updated with all these kind of reviews and tutorials, because I'll record it more and I'll review more websites. So look at this, guys. API is connected, our Delta Executor is ready, and we got our activation key for free. So now we will have to click I'm not a robot, because there is a lot of malicious bot attempts. So just click I'm not a robot and let's see what we will get, guys. So nice, guys. Thank you for passing the bot check. Delta Executor is imported to your account. Look at this, guys. Our key is fully revealed. So now we will open our Roblox and we will just make sure that it actually works, guys. We should get now imported Roblox, Delta Executor for our Roblox. So we will just click on any game. Let's test it on Block Streets. Guys, we will test it now. Is it actually working? So right now, we should get our Delta Executor fully activated. So nice. Look at this, guys. We actually got our Delta. I cannot believe that it actually worked. After testing a lot of websites, bloxforge.com was the only working one, guys. Look at this. We finally got this Delta icon and we can now use Delta Executor, guys. Let's see. Scripts. So nice, we got our fully activation scripts, guys. Let's try with Nikus. Let's click execute on this, guys, and let's see, is it actually working? Look at this, we actually got this fully activated. Let's click farming and let's test this as well. So look at this, guys. Now you with your Delta Executor can do stuff like this. So it actually worked, guys. I cannot believe, I'm literally shaking because I didn't expect this, to be honest, because it's kinda weird how you can get Delta without downloading anything. It's just imported. So look at this, guys. We also got our key imported, and now you can go to this and search, for example, block scripts or whatever you like, and you can find your scripts, guys. Look at this. It works amazing. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for this review. I hope you enjoyed and found it helpful. If you do, make sure to like this video, comment down below, and to subscribe to my channel. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.